is GopiKalaria from Swisspack, and we are based out of Gujarat, Vadodara. And we are into flexible packaging since 35 years. We export to more than 70 countries. Okay, in flexible packaging, right now we have introduced Flexo printing as well. We have three types of printing. One is digital, one is rotograver, and one is Flexo. So Flexo is the middle of both digital and rotograver printing, where MOQ is lesser, and in digital also it's more lesser. But the digital is more expensive, and Flexo is little bit cheaper, and even in rotograver it's more cheaper. So digital is the most expensive one, but the quality in rotograver, digital or Flexo, it comes out to be same only. I can show you, this is rotograver printing. So in this also the quality remains the same. If you go for this, then this is digital printing. The quality remains still the same. Flexo, even the Flexo printing, the quality remains the same. It's just the pricing difference, and plates and everything is there in Flexo printing. We have participated in Bombay also, and this is our first time in Hyderabad. But we are thinking that we'll get a good crowd, and let's hope for the best, because today is the first day. And right now, no, because we started our offices in Delhi, Bombay and Bangalore. So maybe in near future, by next year, we can plan out in Hyderabad, one of our offices. Yeah, definitely. We'll plan out by next year. Thank you so much.